students, as I've discussed that I'll come with the doubt section of yours, as you asked that we are having doubt in the exercise 5C of Selena Publisher, the numerical section. So here I am going to solve few of the numericals for you so that you can be able to solve the rest of the questions of the exercises. Okay students? So I have picked few of the questions. Like question number 3 says, a wooden cube of size 10 centimeter has mass 700 gram. What part of it remains above the water surface while floating vertically on the water surface? Okay students, so let's solve this question. What is given? Mass is given. Mass of the cube. How much? 700 gram. Volume, how we can find? Volume 10 into 10 into 10. Okay students, so we got 1000 centimeter cube. So the density we can find, density of the object, how much? 700 by 1000, which you will get 7 by 10 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, now question is asking how much fraction, what part of this particular cube is remaining outside the water. So the required fraction, is equals to 1 minus density of the object by density of the liquid, or the value what we have got here you can say. So it is 1 minus 7 by 10, which will give you 3 by 10 gram per centimeter cube. Sorry, 3 by 10th part, I would say. It means we can say, therefore we can say that 3 centimeter of 10 centimeter is above the water surface. So this is the answer of this question students. 3 centimeter out of 10 centimeter is above the water surface, and rest 7 centimeter is inside the water. I hope it is clear students. Now we'll move to question number 6. So now students, I have picked the 6th number question of exercise 5C of Selena Publisher, where it says a piece of wood of uniform cross section and height 15 centimeter floats vertically with its height 10 centimeter in water and 12 centimeter in spirit. Find the density of wood and the spirit. Okay students, let's see how it will be solved. We can write I'll come to the first part of this question. According to the Archimedes principle, I hope Archimedes principle is clear. According to Archimedes principle, what we can write? We can write weight of the wood. Weight of the wood is equals to weight of the water displaced. Okay students, so weight of the wood we can write with the help of this formula, V rho G. Weight of the water displaced we can take as V1 rho 1 and G. G will be cancelled. Okay students, now we have to find the density of the wood. We have taken the density of the wood as rho. So rho is equals to V1 rho 1 by V. Now if you see the question, the values are given. V1's value is 10, density 1 of water, and the value of this is how much? 15. Correct students? 5 3s are 5 2s are So you will get 2 by 3. When you will divide this, what you will get? 0.666 continued portion. So it will be written as 0.67 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, students? So this is the solution of the first part, where we have equated the weight of the wood along with the weight of the displaced water, and we have got the density of the wood. Okay, students? I hope it is clear. Now we'll move to the second part of the numerical. So now, students, the second part of the 6th number question, where we have to find the density of the spirit. Okay. So weight of the spirit is equals to weight of the wood according to again Archimedes principle. We will take the values here V2, rho 2 and G. Here it will be again that V rho G. Okay, students. So this will be cancelled together. What we have to find? We have to find the value of rho 2. So V into rho by V2. Now what is the value? You have seen it is the value having 15. It is the value having how much? Just we have got 0.67. And what is the value of this V2? It is 12. You will see the question, you will find these values. Now you cancel it out. 3 4s are 12, 5 2s are 15. Just multiply. 5 7s are 35, 5 is a 30 plus 3, 33, in hand 3, and here it will be. So we have got 3.35 by 4. Okay, how much this expression will give the value? It will give the value approximate 0.83 gram per centimeter cube. Approximate, not exact, approximate, because the division is not completed. So here is the solution for the second part, and first part I explained. I hope the solution is clear to you, students. If you have doubts, then you can ask through WhatsApp, I told you. So with this note, I want to end this video session, and further I'll wait for your doubt section. If you have, you please send me. I'll post more videos on your doubts, and I hope you are preparing for your examinations. Thank you so much. Have a good day.